Let us start with next one. That is question number 7. 20 ml of 0.5 normal HCl and 35 ml of 0.1 normal NaOH are mixed together. The resulting solution will be. So here, when it comes to this particular question, so here it has been given as 20 ml of 0.5 normal HCl. So let us note it down. First one that has been given is what? 20 ml of 0.5 normal HCl, so that 0.5 normal of HCl in 1000 ml is 0.5 mole of HCl is present in how much ml? 20 ml. That is equal to 20 into what is the normality? 0.5. So in 1000 ml how much it is? Means divided by 1000. That is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles. So in the same way, so second solution what he has given, it has been given as 35 ml of 0.1 normal NaOH, that is 35 ml of 0.1 normal NaOH. So it implies 35 ml of 0.1 normal NaOH means, so 0.1 normal in 1000 ml of is 0.1 mole of NaOH. So it implies for 35 ml, that is equal to 35 into 0.1 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.35 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles. Means I have calculated the number of moles for how much ml? That is for 1000 ml. So hence the total volume of the mixture is what? 20 ml plus 35 ml, that is equal to 55 ml is the total volume. So here one can understand that the first one is how much moles? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles. Second one is 0.35 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles. So if I subtract, the total number of moles is equal to 1 minus 0.35 into 10 to the power of minus 2, that is equal to 0.65 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles of HCl is left out. So we know that HCl ionizes to form H plus as well as Cl minus ion. Therefore, the concentration of HCl is nothing but concentration of H plus into concentration of Cl minus ions. So now I can tell that 55 ml contains how much? What we have calculated, that is 0.65 into 10 to the power of minus 2 moles of H plus ions. Therefore 1000 ml contains how much ions? Let us calculate. Therefore 1000 ml contains 0.65 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 1000 divided by how much? Divided by 55, that is equal to 6.5 divided by 55. And we know that pH is equal to negative logarithm of what? Negative logarithm of H plus ion, that is equal to negative logarithm of 6.5 divided by 55. So that is equal to log of 55 minus of log of 6.5, because I have nullified the negative sign. So when I nullify the negative sign, I can write it as log of 55 minus log of 6.5, which comes out to be how much? 0.92. So if the pH is 0.92, the solution is said to be acidic in its nature. Hence, since the solution is acidic in its pH, it turns a phenolphthalein solution pink, which is given by the option C. Next one. Let us discuss with question number 8. So when it comes to question number 8, it has been given that a precipitate of AgCl is formed when equal volume of the following are mixed. That is, solubility product for AgCl is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10. That has been given. So one should know that for the precipitation, for the preparation of an electrolyte, so one should know that for the preparation of an electrolyte, it is necessary, for the preparation of an electrolyte, it is necessary that the ionic product, it is necessary that the ionic product must exceed the solubility product. So, if the ionic product exceeds the solubility product, then only the preparation of electrolyte is possible. So, here it has been given that a precipitate of AgCl is formed when equal volumes of the following are mixed. So, it can be formed when 10 to the power of minus 5 mole of AgNO3 and 10 to the power of minus 4 molar of HCl is mixed together, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 9. So in question number 9, it has been given that 4 moles each of SO2 and O2 gases are allowed to react to form SO3 in a closed vessel. At equilibrium, 25% of oxygen is used up. The total number of moles of all the gases at equilibrium is. So first, let us write a chemical equation, that is 2 moles of SO2 plus of O2, that will give rise to 2 moles of SO3. So initial moles, so what they have given the initial moles, this is 4 moles, this is again 4 moles. So in the initial cases, product will be what? 0. Therefore the total number of moles at equilibrium is equal to 4 into 1 minus of 0.5. So here a question comes, why it is 0.5 means, here they have given that at equilibrium 25% of oxygen is used up. So 25% can be written as what? 25 by 100, that is nothing but 0.25. And even for oxygen also, it is 4 into 1 minus of 0.25. And here in the product, I can tell that 0.5, the amount that is formed with how many moles? With 2 moles. Therefore, I can write it as the total number of moles is equal to 4 into 1 minus of 0.25 plus of 4 into 1 minus of 0.25 plus of 0.25 into 2 is what? It is 0.5. So that I can write it as 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 plus of 0.5, which comes out to be 6.5. Hence, the answer 6.5 is given by the option A. Next one, question number 10. Solubility product of a salt AB is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar square. So in a solution in which the concentration of A plus ion is 10 to the power of minus 3 molar, the salt will precipitate when the concentration of B minus ions is kept. So it has been given that solubility product KSP is what? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 8 molar square. So concentration of A plus is equal to how much? 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. They have given it. So they are asking us to find out what the concentration of B minus ion. Therefore, the concentration of B minus ion is the solubility product, that is KSP is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 8 divided by A plus, because I can tell that solubility product is nothing but the concentration of A plus as well as the concentration of B minus. I want to know the B minus ion concentration. Hence, B minus ion concentration is equal to solubility product divided by A plus. So, here 1 into 10 to the power of minus 8, A plus concentration is what? 10 to the power of minus 3. So, this comes out to be 10 to the power of minus 5 molar. So, 10 to the power of minus 5 molar, it is clear that AB will precipitate if, so here already in the previous question that we have discussed in question number 8, it is clear that AB will precipitate if the ionic product will be greater than, if the ionic product will be greater than the solubility product. So means if the ionic product is greater than the solubility product, precipitate will be formed. So that means the concentration of B minus ion will be more than the concentration of A plus ion. That is, the concentration of B minus ion will be more than what? 10 to the power of minus 5 molar. Then AB will get precipitated. So by this we can clearly tell that the concentration should be what? Greater than 10 to the power of minus 5 molar, which is given by the option C.